Hey y'all, this is Software Focus, and today we're going back to basics with Camtasia. You don't want to miss this. Today's episode will be focused on the installation of Camtasia 2020 for Windows. I am currently recording this with Camtasia 2019, and you can see that I still have Camtasia 2019 installed on my system. That's not going to be a problem. Camtasia 2020 is considered a separate program from 2019, allowing you to install them side by side. The install is very similar to 2019. I'll reference that video here. I already have the file downloaded here in my downloads folder. I'll double click on it to start the install. The language select window comes up. Camtasia is offered in English, German, I believe that's Japanese, French, and Chinese. Or I may be making a mistake and they're flipped. I do apologize. But we'll select English and hit OK. We get the license terms acceptance page. Click the checkbox to acknowledge that we accept the license terms, and we hit install. Camtasia then begins the installation process. This usually does go fairly quick, but depending on your system, it may take upwards of 15 minutes or so. Once the install reports successful, like it does here, we click the green Finish button. Sometimes Camtasia will require a restart in order to finish the install, so we'll go ahead and hit Restart now. And once we're back up from our restart, we'll find a new Camtasia 2020 icon on our desktop. It can also be found in the Start menu, usually under Recently Added here. So I can launch Camtasia 2020 from this icon that was created. It'll take a minute to load up and open. And once Camtasia loads up, you'll get the Sign in to Start Trial or Enter Software Key window. For this demo, we're going to sign in to Start Trial. If you have your software key after you've purchased, you can click that Enter Software Key button and it'll give you a blank to put the key in. So we'll sign in to Start Trial. This sign-in page will pop up in your browser. Being that I signed in the past with this same browser, it kept my login info. So we'll just click this and we'll sign into the account just like you would if you were accessing your email, etc. We then get the same survey question. I will select Demonstration and hit Submit. Then says we're signed in. We can close this browser window, and Camtasia begins playing the Get Started project that kind of runs you through the basics of Camtasia. And that about covers it for the install of Camtasia 2020. Very similar to Camtasia 2019's install. 2020 does have some new promising features. I'm sure you've seen other videos about it. I look forward to go through these features with you. This has been Software Focus. If you like this video, hit that like button, or click subscribe to join the channel for future videos. If you have any feedback or ideas for future videos, please leave a comment down below. Keep focusing!